Hello, welcome to Relationship 101. Did you know that according to the American Psychological Association, 40 to 50% of marriages today are ending in divorce? So, what exactly is causing these marriages to fail? More importantly, what is causing the other 50 to 60% of marriages to succeed? These are the questions we wanted to find answers to. What we found from our research is that the answers may lie within the foundations of positive psychology. We found from multiple sources common reasons as to why marriages fail, particularly in the first 5 years. This belief that marriage is a cure-all, as well as money and household balance and imbalance, infidelity, which is a horrible one, growing apart and excluding your support system, as well as religious indifferences, and not communicating effectively, which we found in our studies that communication is one of the top things that you need for a successful marriage. So what exactly is positive psychology? According to Peterson, a professor from the University of Pennsylvania, positive psych is defined as the study of strengths and virtues that enable individuals, communities, and organizations to thrive. But really, how important is positive psychology in a marriage? To put it quite simply, I have a little secret for you guys. It's literally in everything. I mean, it's in our intimate relationships. We must be able to utilize our strengths and our virtues in a way that is beneficial to both parties. Marriage is oftentimes a balancing act of each other's strengths, using your strengths to make up for the areas in which your partner may lack in. So, in order to test our hypothesis that one of the foundations of a successful marriage is positive psychology, we had to first find out what exactly people looked for in their relationships. We conducted a workshop with 20 college students in a positive psychology course that ranged in age from 19 to 22 years old. These 20 students were then asked to fill out a questionnaire on how they felt positive psychology could play a role in their marriages to come, and what they valued most in their intimate relationships if they were in one. So our results from the workshop didn't come as a surprise to any of us. What we found was that 20 students believe that positive psychology should play a role in a marriage, and now you'll be directed to further data on our findings from our research.